Vanakkam, Namaskara. You're watching Times Now's Election Yatra. Thank you for joining us here in our new episode where we focus on a very interesting factor. And as we speak about Tamil Nadu politics, we know that for Tamil Nadu, whether it is MGR or Jayalalitha, the politics in Tamil Nadu has always been synonymous with the film industry. In the recent past, we've also seen Kamal Haasan, we've seen Rajinikanth make his foray for a little bit, and now we have the Vijay factor as well. And today, we're going to be talking about just that. And as always, we get you the culture, the art form of Tamil Nadu as well. Today, we have with you, before you, the Karagatam performance, and this is a special performance that has the women folk who balance a pot on their head. You're going to see them walking in right now. Just as in politics, you see the political leaders balancing the fiscal needs of the state along with others. Here is the beautiful performance of Tamil Nadu. Performance in Tamil Nadu. Thank you so much. I'm thanking the entire cultural team for joining us on Times Now's Election Yatra as we keep our focus on Vijay. The factor of Vijay, the actor turned politician, is he going to have the same kind of fortunes that Jayalalitha or MGR had seen? Or do the people believe that he may be a good actor but not a big politician as yet? We go around Chennai, speak to the voters and find out. For decades, politics in Tamil Nadu was driven by Dravidian identity, and the seat of power only remained with two arch rivals, Karunanidhi's DMK and Jayalalitha's AIADMK. But with the stalwarts no longer in the fray, many have questioned the relevance of Dravidian politics in the modern era. Now the next generation of leaders may have taken over, but do they have the same mass appeal as their yesteryear leaders? One man who is trying to take advantage of the vacuum in Tamil Nadu politics is actor turned politician Vijay, who chose to give up his cinematic career altogether to focus on his politics. Some of the tallest leaders in Tamil Nadu politics have had their roots in the Tamil film industry, including the three former chief ministers, Karunanidhi, MGR and Jayalalitha. But this time, Vijay is clear. He is going to take on the Dravidian giant solo and believes he has the backing of his fans and supporters. And that's why today we're in the heart of Chennai, trying to find the answers to a question everyone's asking. Can Vijay actually turn his popularity into votes? The political battle may be getting hot and spicy, but so are the delicacies here in Tamil Nadu, which is why today we are here at one of Chennai's iconic restaurants to find out what's cooking in the kitchens and on the political pitch. It's election season, and as always in times now, it's election yatra. We are going to be speaking to the people to find out what are the key issues for them. And of course, in Chennai, are the new parties going to be a factor or not? We are at a very popular vegetarian restaurant, the Geetam restaurant in Chennai, and we're going to be speaking to the people here. As you can see, it's the afternoon. It's quite a packed time here. Let's speak to a few people and find out what they think. Madam, thank you for joining us on the show. For the elections, as the voting is going to come in some time, what is going to be the key issues for you?
Currently, about the government and all that is kind of we are satisfied because already as the government is telling, it is next is going to be the Dravidian 2.0. So we're looking forward for that, and they can do little better. But as such, like all the infrastructure, they've been keep improving.
What about you as a voter? What are the key issues important for you? And what do you think of the new political entrants? I think this time, apart from the Dravidian politics, we are also seeing a film star who has turned into politics. What do you think?
I'm telling, as a woman, I'm so proud of women empowerment is very good. I'm so happy about that. It should be continued.
I'm also a fan of Vijay. I'm also a fan of Rajinikanth. But as a politician, I don't think so.
So as a politician, we're not very sure. He is a very famous actor, and this is something that has been mentioned by many as well. Are you happy with the work that is done, or are you looking for some change?
No, they're doing fine only. The government is doing good.
Are you also from Chennai?
I'm not actually from Chennai, but my wife is from Chennai. So I just wanted to see how Vijay would roll. So I would prefer Tamil Nadu people giving Vijay a chance and see.
So you think that Vijay should get a chance? Are you a fan of Vijay?
Not exactly, but I'm from Andhra. So I've seen how Pawan Kalyan is doing. So he has set a mark that actors also has the responsibility towards the society, and he has proved himself. So I think that Vijay would also prove himself if given a chance.
Okay, so Vijay should also be given a chance. Do you like Vijay?
Sorry?
Actor Vijay.
Vijay. Actually, I like. Can I speak to Tamil? I comfortable. ஆக்டராக பிடிக்கும், பட் ஆனால் அவருக்கு பாலிடிக்ஸில் இன்னும் கற்றுட்டு வந்தாருன்னா பிடிக்கும். ஏன்னா அவர் நிறைய விஷயம் தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும். அவர் தமிழ்நாடு மக்களை பணையம் வைக்கிறார். அவர் படம் ஓடலைன்னா அது அவர் மட்டும் தான் பாதிக்கும். பட் ஆனால் அவர் அரசியலில் இதை ஸ்பெண்ட் பண்ணி பண்ணுறாருன்னு சொல்லும் போது மக்களை தான் பாதிக்கும். ஸோ அதனால் அவர் இன்னும் தெரிஞ்சுட்டு வந்தால் அக்செப்ட் பண்ணிக்கலாம்.
As an actor, good, but experience needed. But I also want to ask you, BJP, ADMK or DMK government, have they done good work?
குட் ஒர்க்னு சொல்ல முடியாது, பட் ஆனால் கம்பேர்ட் டு அதர் ஸ்டேட் இட்ஸ் பெட்டர்.
Better.
Yeah.
Okay, you're happy. What about you?
விஜயை பொறுத்தவரையும் பார்க்கணுன்னா தமிழ்நாட்டில் ஒரு ரசிகராக பார்க்கலாம். அரசியலில் அந்த அளவுக்கு அனுபவம் நிறைய தேவை. அனுபவத்தை பொறுத்தவரையும் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா அந்த அளவுக்கு கிடையாது. மக்களை சரியான அணுகுமுறை இருக்கணும். ஏன்னா அது அவர்கிட்ட சுத்தமாக கிடையாது. இதுக்கு முன்னாடி அவர் எந்த நலத்திட்ட உதவியும் அவர் செய்ததும் கிடையாது. மக்களை அந்த அளவுக்கு எங்களுக்கெல்லாம் அந்த அளவுக்கு பிடிக்கல.
Our example, he gave an example of Pawan Kalyan. He said that, Pawan Kalyan was also an actor. He has proven himself in politics. Do you see that kind of potential in Vijay also, that maybe he can be given a chance?
கூட்டணி வச்சா வரத்துக்கான வாய்ப்பு உண்டு. தன்னைத்தானே வரணும்னா ரொம்ப கஷ்டம்தான். கூட்டணி ஆமாம், கூட்டணியை ஒரு ஏடிஎம்கே கூட கூட்டணி வச்சா வரதுக்கான நல்ல வாய்ப்பு இருக்குது, நல்ல ஒரு எதிர்காலம் இருக்குது.
Your meal is here. I can see some very sumptuous food. Thank you so much for joining us. So let's go around speaking to a lot of people as well and find out from them. And in fact, they gave a very interesting point. There are many who are also speaking about this. There are huge crowds that come up every time Vijay has a rally. But is it going to have a political effect or not? Because many say that Vijay is a huge star and there are people who will come out to watch him. But will they actually go out and cast their vote for him? When it comes to cinema, Vijay is arguably the most bankable star of all times, and his popularity will certainly have both the DMK and the AIADMK on their toes.
எவ்வளவு இருக்கும் அப்படியா? இது என்ன சும்மா கூட்டமா?
Pollsters suggest Vijay may have a considerable impact among the first-time voters, while many also believe he may be able to sway the Christian and scheduled caste voters. His impact is more likely to be felt among the younger population, many of whom grew up watching Vijay on the silver screen. Interestingly, TVK has hinted at the possibility of Vijay contesting from one of the constituencies in the city itself. Could it be Velachery or could it be Virugambakam? While we await the answer, we crisscross the city of Chennai to find out what the people expect from Vijay, the politician. But before we speak to more voters, we decided to recharge our batteries with some piping hot dosa from the kitchens of Chennai. So we're making some hot dosas, but the hot topic, of course, in Tamil Nadu are the elections. And when you're in Chennai, you must have the dosas here. We're in the kitchen, of course. We're going to be heading out and speaking to the people as well. Let's see what are the key issues for them. Are they going to have some issues that are on their minds when they go to cast their vote or not? We're going to be talking to them just as we're done with this dosa. Join us. Nice dosa, no? We're talking about the elections here. What do you think is going to happen in the elections? Are you happy with the government?
Happy with the government.
Happy with the government. What is the kind of work that has been done, and do you think there should be a change here? When you cast your vote, what are the key important issues for you?
Not change.
Nothing. Just happy with the government.
Yeah.
You think Vijay is a factor? Vijay, actor.
Yes, Vijay is
Vijay nicer. But political chance is there?
No chance.
No political chance. Okay. What about you?
Yeah, the government doing well now. There are a lot of welfare schemes are available in there, and most of them MK Stalin covered all people, along with ladies, children, and education, and also women empowerment also. And within 5 years, there's a lot of growth in academic level and also others. So strongly, he will continue.
Okay.
Yeah.
But you
Vijay not a factor.
Vijay not factor.
Not a factor. The crowd didn't convert to votes. Yeah. It's an actor now. So artist. So the crowd mostly come.
So crowd is there to see him, but it may not translate to votes. We are talking about what is the situation in Tamil Nadu. Chennai, of course, sees a lot of tourists as well. Are you all residents of Chennai? Residents, what do you think of the elections now coming up in a few weeks?
I think Vijay should come. Let's see.
Vijay?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you with the work that the government has seen, because there was a turbulent time in Tamil Nadu, multiple changes, after which we saw stability in the last 5 years as well. Has there been good work, or are you looking for a change?
We are looking for the change. Yes.
But does ADMK and BJP have a chance?
Hopefully, yes. Let's see.
So you're saying for Vijay there is a chance, but we don't know how it's going to translate.
It is going to be a tough one. Yes.
Tough political
Yes.
debut for him.
Yes.
Okay. What do you think? The DMK working match. You look too young to even vote. Let me ask women voters as well on what they think. Ma'am, thank you for joining us during your lunch. What do you think about the elections coming up?
The coming up elections, it should bring more happiness among people.
Okay.
That's what wholesome I want to tell.
Okay.
People should be happy about all. More welfare schemes should be brought in for the state. And I feel that
You're happy with the welfare schemes? Because many say that we don't want welfare schemes. We should be...
still, many people, they are lying low profile and they have to be brought in. And globally, I am saying that elections should bring India to the uppermost thing, first rank.
Yeah. So Tamil Nadu has an important role to play.
Definitely. Almost all the states it has. Together we should be as brave, strong as Indians.
Okay. But do you think the government has done good work, or are you looking for a change?
Change should be brought for the.
I'm not interested in politics. That's what I'm not. I'm just keeping quiet.
More welcoming changes should be there to make people happy as a wholesome.
Okay. I want to ask you, especially in Chennai, in the urban areas, is Vijay going to be a factor? We've always seen Dravidian parties here. Is there going to be a change this time?
Sorry, I don't know because he's a new entrant. We have to wait and see for all those things.
But you don't see him as
People's
a
mind we cannot judge now. Only
For you as a voter, is that an alternative, or you think he's too new to politics?
new entrants are welcoming, but still we have to see how much improvement it should be brought in. Yeah.
What about you as a voter? Are you looking for a change? Are you happy with the kind of politics that we've seen as well?
I think the country is already developing pretty quickly. But yeah, new changes are welcome.
As a youth voter, because there are many who are also talking about how any new entrant, even for Vijay, he's targeting youth voters. Same with the DMK, ADMK and BJP, Congress as well. They are looking for youth voters. As a voter, what are the key important issues for you when you cast your vote? What do you look for? What is the party providing?
Well, I am not a very politically avid person, but I would say we have to weigh the pros and cons of each and every party and then decide which party you think is the most reliable. So just basis on new entry, we can't determine things. So we have to weigh each and every parameter before making a call on which party should take over next.
So a lot of women voters, in fact, women voters on one hand, and of course the youth voters have been spoken of by every party. In the elections, this has been very, very important to reach out to every segment. The voting patterns across Tamil Nadu is also slightly different, whether it is in the urban areas or in the rural areas as well. A break from the Dravidian politics now is the new entrant coming in as well. How is that actually going to play out in the elections, especially considering the national parties have a second role to play in Tamil Nadu? It is the regional parties that have traditionally seen a bigger role in the state. We spoke to the people, and clearly there are many who believe in either the government doing well or looking at a regional factor. Many of them also going on to say that Vijay is a great actor. We see a lot of crowds with him, but we are not sure how he is going to do testing the political waters. That's our report from Chennai. We, of course, speak to more people as well to find out what's the mood on ground. While Vijay has certainly shown promise, his nascent party is still trying to build an image and a strong grassroots presence to take on established parties like the DMK and the AIADMK. And as we travel across Tamil Nadu over the course of our campaign, we will continue to search for answers for the one question on everyone's minds. Is Vijay finally going to end the dominance of Dravidian parties in Tamil Nadu? And well, with the same grandness, it's a wrap-up on this edition of Times Now's Election Yatra. We thank all the performers for joining us on the show. We'll see you again tomorrow with another story, another political story from across Tamil Nadu, and of course, the culture, art form, food, and everything that is Tamil Nadu tomorrow at 5:30 p.m.